Okay guys, trying to make some pins go in. Got some pins I gotta make. I gotta slide in this. I can't get, this pin's a little tight. Actually, it wouldn't even go in there. Mill scale and everything. I want a little bit of a loose fit because I gotta have this has got a slide. I'll put a greaser in this. So I don't have a lathe or nothing, so I was just trying to figure out how to do it, so that's what I came up with. Just welded a bolt. Didn't weld a nut. I just took the bolt, welded the head to the pin. Just tacked it on there. Tap it till it's straight. It's not perfect, but I just push this up here like this. Spin it down low. My grinder. Balance it up. It's definitely not going to be as nice as, you know, machining job, but this is not I ain't got like a tight tolerance I need to worry about, so this is all I have, so this is what I got to do. So, you just keep doing it until it fits on there and slides nice, and end up with something like that. I mean, that just slides right through, so. Just a little hack. In case somebody needs help. Thanks.